Hello, this is Nature Owen, camouflage style, and I am going to show you guys the world. And when I say the world, I actually mean I'm just going to show you around. Whatever I tell you now might affect you in the future, or might just help you. Watch out, world. This is Nature Owen 101. God living in the house. Part 1 of living. I am in the house. And as you can see, I am next to the most dangerous fiend in the world. I will show you. I am next to the pitbullicus, but he is tamed, as you can see. He won't look at the camera for some reason, so I'm pushing his face towards it. He is very dangerous. Very unusual. Oh no, we are next to it. When you see the Jamelia, always remain calm. Never act natural. I'll be right back. I managed to escape the pitbullicus, and the Jamelia. I do not see the Jamelia, but when I find it, I will come after it. And it'll be one by one before it's full. I am next to the Jamelia. She does not know I am in my disguise. It has been 4 days since I haven't eaten. When I say 4 days, I mean I haven't eaten since 12 o'clock, and it's like 6:38, so I'm about to eat soon. I will return with food!